front yard right here, fenced in. It's Faulkner Lake Road, the freeway. It's just down there. It's 5 acres of land, goes all the way back there. It's all fenced in. There is swampland over there, but never had an issue. Doesn't pay for flood insurance. But big open lot, just got to clean it up a little bit. Let's go inside. Still needs to be cleaned out just a little bit. There is some animal urine smell in here. Some cats were in here, but some kind of concrete tile type floor. Looks like it's on a slab. Here's the first bedroom. Floors are all right. Just need some new baseboard trim. Bathroom tile looks pretty good. Bath area. This is all sturdy. Kitchen, I would probably just kind of put a fresh coat of paint. New hot water heater replaced this year. These are fine, really. You can really just put some paint over it, some lipstick. Looks like we're peeling up here, but fix that easily. This looks fairly new. Like I said, just paint the cabinets. The fridge and the stove comes with a sale of the property. Here's the other bedroom. And this was used as another bedroom, so it's really 2 bedrooms, and then this is just added on sunroom. Tile throughout. No cracks in the tile. Feels pretty firm. Just need a little cleanup. Looks like a washer and dryer could go right there. Go back to the kitchen. It's pretty much move-in ready. Spend a couple thousand, 2 or 3 or 4, to really just come in and clean it up and put a fresh coat of paint. The front yard. Just need to clean up all this stuff, but go around the back. Yeah, that's fenced in back there. Was used for horses. Roof doesn't look too bad, just needs to be cleaned off. Long driveway.